Today we're going to show you how to find midpoint and distance between 2 points.
Let's try find midpoint between 2 points. Let's say we have 2 points. One is x1, y1, and the other one is x2 and y2. To find a midpoint, all we have to do is add two x values divided by 2 and add two y values divided by 2. So it will be x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So let's have a go with question A here. Let's find a midpoint between these 2 points. One is -4, -7, the other one is 1, -1. So again, let's add our two x values, -4 plus 1 divided by 2. And then let's add two y values here, -7 plus -2, which is just -1 over 2. So -4 plus 1 is -3, so you'll be -3 over 2. -7 minus 1 is -8, so you'll be -8 over 2. -3 over 2 we can't simplify, so leave it like that. But -8 over 2 we can simplify as -4. So here's our midpoint, -3 on 2 and -4. Let's move on to question B. Let's find the midpoint between these 2 points. So again, let's add two x values and divide it by 2. So it'll be -2 plus 1 over 2. And add two y values divided by 2, it'll be 122 minus 13 over 2. -2 plus 1 is -1. 122 minus 13 is 109. So our midpoint will be -1 on 2, 109 over 2. Since we can't simplify these fractions, leave it like this. This will be our answer. Let's move on to the distance between 2 points. So again, we got 2 points here, x1, y1, x2, y2. And I'm going to draw a right angle triangle so that we can find a distance using Pythagoras Theorem. So Pythagoras Theorem is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c will be the distance that we're trying to find as it's a hypotenuse. A is the length on the bottom, which is x2 minus x1. B will be the vertical length, which is y2 minus y1. So we can write our formula using Pythagoras Theorem. C squared is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And all you have to do to get rid of that square on top of c, you just have to put a square root over the other side. So we have the distance formula here, square root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So let's have a go with question A here. Let's find a distance between these 2 points. You can label it x1, y1, x2, y2. So our c, which is distance, will be square root 2 minus -2 squared plus 4 minus 2 squared. So 2 minus -2 will be 2 plus 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. And 2 plus 2 will be 4, so we have square root 4 squared plus 2 squared, which is square root 16 plus 4, which is square root 20. You can simplify this up, so our distance will be 2 root 5 units. Let's move on to question B. We have 2 points here, -12, -7, and 8, -7. So you can label these as x1, y1, x2, y2. So C will be square root 8 minus 12 squared plus -7 minus -7 squared. 8 minus 12 is -4, -7 minus -7 is -7 plus 7. So -4 squared is 16 and -7 plus 7 is 0. So it will be square root 16 plus 0 squared, which is square root 16, which is 4 if you simplify. So the distance between these 2 points will be 4 units.
Thanks for watching today's video. Click the link below to check out our awesome website. Check out our channel for more study tips and click here to watch our last video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.